I'm sitting here on this rock, sitting on the rock, relaxing a little bit under the coolness of the trees. Look at that path down there. We're gonna explore, people. Thanks for joining Muda Production. Thanks for joining Muda Production. We are at Dinosaur Place. Just to be out, just a little day out, a Saturday out. If the ducks are chilling, the ducks are cruising. I've been here before and it's nice. Some place to relax with the kids and, just hang out. It's kind of warm today, but there's a nice little breeze blowing. So People are out with the family, the kids, making much of summer. They broke down the pronunciation for us. Brachiosaurus. And here are the facts. Approximately 60 to 70 foot long. Approximately 30 to 40 feet tall. My goodness. Woo wee. And their diet, they could eat up to 880 pounds of plant matter in one day. Whoa. Considered a high browser would eat foliage at heights spanning between 9.8 to 30 feet off the ground. Jesus. Look at that. Let's go in for a closer look. The kids are over here on a playground that has all kind of towers, T-Rex tower, all kind of stuff for them to do. Let's go in for a closer look on the Brachiosaurus. Wow, look at this thing. Mm. It's a sunny day, very sunny today. Wow, look at that. But there's a breeze blowing that's so nice. Look at that. Look at the ducks cruising. They're chilling. Look at them go. Close up. Let me try and put this thing into perspective. This is me standing under this thing. Look at that. Wow. Wow. How cool is that? All right, so they got dinosaurs everywhere. It's like you're walking back in time basically. There's a path down here that leads all the way down. I'm sitting here on this rock, sitting on the rock, relaxing a little bit under the coolness of the trees. Look at that path down there. We're gonna explore, people. I have my backpack with water, snacks. They sell food here, but I ate before I came. It's a little after 2 right now, so I have my backpack with my camera equipment and everything, and we are going to explore, guys. So guys, everybody's out exploring. We had a group that head down this path, so we're going to take the same path and see what's down here. So join me in the exploration, guys, of this dinosaur land. There are dinosaurs hidden everywhere around here. So I'm going to give you guys a first-hand view of what I'm seeing. I forgot to bring my body clip for the action camera. Over here is another section. See, there are people over there too, if you go down and go around, but I'm going to explore this section first. My camera doesn't have a stabilizer, so I'm going to try to keep my hand as steady as possible. Whoa, what is this we're coming up on? Look at that. Over that side look nice and cool too. Maybe I should have went that way. We'll see. Sound like the kids are having a good time. Look at this. Look at that neck, man. Jeez, woo. I couldn't imagine in those times when these things existed. Wow. All right. Let's walk down a little more. And as you can see, the pond stretches all the way down. All the way down. So let's explore some more, people. See, there's another one over there. And that one is the, how do you pronounce this now? Dilophosaurus. There are the facts. All right. Let's keep the exploration going. I wonder if there's snakes and stuff out here. Look at that. I wonder if they're fishing there. That's one of the no rules. No fishing. So I bet they're fishing there. Here's another one hiding in the bush. Two of them. Look at that. Two of them. There's one. And there's the other one. Staring right at us. Whoa, what's this? Hey, that thing looks so real. Look at that. Like it just crawled out of the water. Oh God, let's check out this first. This is the Spinosaurus. Why? Him have a lot of spine? Probably. Look at the shape of his back. He has a wider back compared to the other ones. Yeah, see they have like spines on their backs. Let's see how long they are. Could grow to be 45 to 59 feet long. 14 feet tall. And they walk on four legs. But occasionally, primarily biped or biped. I guess that's biped. I don't know what that means. But occasionally walk on four legs. Known for large spines protruding from the vertebrae. Like up here, so. See them spine, yeah. Interesting. This is cool facts for the kids to learn about, you know. And grown-ups alike too, because I don't know about them things here. Look at this guy. Whoa. Don't he look real? Look at this guy coming up out of the water. There are people over there exploring as well. And this must be, which one is this? If this is here, that means there's another one around here somewhere. Atosaurus. It can't be that. That is so not a dinosaur, so it must be one of these guys. These little boxes are for the kids. It has quiz and stuff like that in there, so they learn, you know. Fun facts, as they say. Yeah, but coming up on another one. See another one around here, sir. Two of them. Just as green as the trees and stuff. Look at this. I like the way they depict how these creatures or animals would be when they existed, where they would be. You know, it seems pretty much like the natural habitat out in the woods, you know, existing. Look at those teeth, sharp, right? Of course, a vegetation them eat. How tall they are. You see what I mean? So they would be pretty much close to the trees and the leaves and stuff, so then pick at that. Look at the front feet, man. They have claws on there, you know. Check it out. They have claws. The back feet have claws too, but the front one look like what them use and grab things and snatch things up. Wow. Let's see the name of these ones. Coelophysis. Coelophysis. Right? Coelophysis. Yeah. Discovered in New Mexico in 1881. Named in 1889. Let's see their diet. Considered a bipedal, agile hunter like carnivore. I figured with those claws, I figured they had to eat meat. Most likely ate animals much smaller than itself would be able to grab and clutch its prey. I thought so. Because look at those claws, man. Look at those claws. I think this is where it ends, guys. Right by the end of the pond or the lake. Let's see. Maybe if I walk through here, it'll lead me back on the other side instead of turning and going back around. I don't want to get lost, you know. The lake is down here. Yeah, I think this is where it ends, because this is not a walk path. Yeah. There's another one over here too. Look at that. His name is Dromeosaurus. See him there? In the bush. Wow. Can you imagine them time they, when them things they exist. Just a run around in the bush and all these things. Wow. Let's take a gander at the lake. Beautiful. Look at that. I'm gonna sit here for a tad. I'm sweating. Whew, look at that. No swimming or fishing. Wow. Well, that's where that volcano is. I was wondering, I saw a sign coming in for a volcano. There it is. They make some volcano. I guess, I don't know. It goes off sometimes, maybe in the nighttime. But there you have it. That's the lake. There are the ducks all the way over there, sitting on the rocks. That's how far they've gotten. So I'm from all the way down and they came on up here. Unless that's a different set of ducks, but I do believe those are the same ducks we saw further down. So that's the white oak. Big old oak tree. Wow. Alright, so I'm heading back down from where we came. And I might head over that side, that trail, to check it out and see what's over that side. I'm sure they have some more interesting artifacts to explore, to look at. So stay tuned. And then I can shortcut through here, so I'm gonna try a thing instead of walk around. Shortcut here, sir. Instead of going all the way around. Squeeze through here, sir. Backpacker now. Okay. I like this side of the trail too. Wow, it goes all the way down there. It's a long trail. Goes all the way down. It's nice. Look at that. It goes all the way down. See that? Rest stop. It's beautiful. And then they got something going down there too. There's another one up there. Yeah. So let's see where I'm at. Munchies, playground. They're all over. So let's see. I guess I have one going that way too. Wow. Big map. There's another trail going on here. This is the, look at this. This is for hiking. You see what I'm calling that? The last loop. Me not go down there by myself. No, Sariba. It's interesting. It's inviting, but no, not going. Let's go this way. There's a maze down there. It's called the Lost Loop. I'm not going down there. It looks scary. More people coming up from that end. But I'm not going on there. Look like you got buck up on something. No, sir. So let's go this way. Remember, I was on the other side earlier. So I'm going to see what's down here. So they have a sign for another dinosaur, but I don't see the dinosaur. And sometimes them so green, they might be hiding amongst the trees and the shrubs. That's kind of scary too, even though it ain't real. But then you run upon it and like, whoa, you know, they make them so realistic. Uh, Compsognathus, Compsognathus, Compsognathus. Where is he though? Let's seek him out. Nature walk, guys. I hope y'all enjoy the nature walk. I was on that side, the other side of the lake, the creek rather. Is it a creek? I don't know. Is it a creek, people? What is that? Definitely ain't no lake. It's probably a creek. Yeah. Oh, here he is. Wait, there's two of them. There's a little baby one and an adult size one. Look at that. There they are. Let's see if we get a better view on this side from this end. Oh, more than one of them. These are different ones. Astrolovenata. Astrolovenata. See one little one there? And the big one. And the other little one over there, so. Whoa, I saw them used to roam, and be all over in the woods. Wow. See other people taking the other path there. While they take the path, me gonna take a 5. Whoa, I'm sweating. Take off the backpack. Oh man. Whew. I should have set my Fitbit to see how many calories burned. Alright. Action camera still set up. There are so many trails out here, and I don't feel like walking all the way down there. I really wanted to go up there by that last loop. I think it's a maze because I saw it on the map, the board they have down there of the map, but me now go by myself. What if me get lost? Or me figure myself out of that maze? I don't think I'm gonna do it. And this thing go all the way down, right? And then there's one further up there when I came in that goes all the way out. I don't know how far out they go. I'm guessing this one probably goes all the way out, like how over here had ended us up by the creek. So that one goes that way. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna go that far. And they're already at the splash pad. See, they're enjoying the dinosaurs over there with the baby dinosaurs and the other dinosaurs. So yeah. So my next move is the splash pad to cool off some, because I've walked so many of the trails already. Yeah, they're long is all I'm saying.
Just say where I can see you.
Oh, enjoying nature. Whew. On a beautiful day in summer. Just to sit down and relax for a lick up. So stay tuned. Yeah. So look at that. Remember I was saying where are they? I saw the sign down there, but I didn't see any. There's the little one right there, and there are two more. So there's like 3 of them running around. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So that's where they were. We did see the sign, but we didn't see the actual thing. How cool is that? Look at that. Somebody said there's a dinosaur egg around here somewhere. Am I overlooking it? Let's see. Where's the egg? They were just looking at an egg. I guess I'm missing it. I don't see it. Oh, here it is in the box. So I'm heading back up. So guess what? I'm tempted to try the maze. I'm not gonna go far. I just want to see what's beyond that curve. All right. So let's see what's back there. Just around the curve. And here we are. From there to the curve. And the curve goes on. Look at that. Oh, heck no, I'm not going up there. Nope. Should I? Nah, I'm not going up there. Yo. Not gonna do it. This place is endless. I'm heading back down, y'all. Nah, do it. gonna go to the splash pad and cool off. It's really for the kids, but you buy the water so you get a little, you feel the mist and everything like that. I'm sweating now. Look, Mesozoic Trail. Mesozoic Trail. That's where I was coming from. I'm getting off these trails, man. I'm getting tired too. I didn't set my Fitbit, so I don't even know how many calories burned. But I'm sweating. So that tells me something. So yeah. See, look at boy, I cool down. You're cooling down, huh? That's a good place to cool down. I ain't mad at you for that. Alright, so let's see here. I was looking at this, but the guys were behind me, so see? Amazing Avenue, that's up there. That's the maze. I'm not going up there, see there? And then you end up here in a maze. Heck no. And I'm here, and out there's a playground, and I'm heading to the splash pad right here. So I'm here, I'm gonna pass the playground and head here. They have changing room, restroom, picnic benches, all that. My phone's ringing. They're checking on me. Hello? Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Did you see me bring my Crocs in the car?
Your Crocs?
Yeah, did I bring it?
Me not remember you put some stuff in the trunk, but me don't know if your Crocs was with it.
Oh, Jesus. Me speak on the whistle. I'll come up here?
Yeah, me across the bridge now from the other trail. So me almost to the playground. Yeah.
Cool.
Alright. Oh boy. She got her feet wet. And she can't remember if she have her Crocs. I think she left it in the car. Alright people, so I'm heading to them. Rest my feet. And get some cool air. I mean, the air is not bad, but like I said, there's water. So I get some of that mist on me. I'm sweating. Alright, so I'm heading to the splash pad now, right? So stay tuned. So I'm coming from there. This is where I started out. And I'm heading that way. Past the playground. And onto the splash pad. So stay tuned. Ooh, feel the heat from that sun. Heading to the splash pad. This is where they sell food over here, refreshments and whatnot. And like I said, I have my own food. Woo! So this is the kids section, so to speak. Splash pad fun. Alright. I'm gonna rest my feet. I'm tired. Whew. Oh. See, they have another trail down there too. There are trails everywhere. You could walk, walk, walk all day, man. There's a maze there too. Cause check it out. Let me show you. See, there's a maze as well. Find your way out. Carnivore Cavern. Pedal, putt, and play. A mini golf course. But the kids are on the splash pad cooling down. Pretty soon I'll find a seat and sit as well and relax. Yeah. Whew. Now go get something to eat and relax where there's no sun. Some of these seats have sun. So I think I'm gonna sit right here. Oh man. I eat something, I'm hungry. It's the 4 already. Whew. Oh man, I'm sweating. I think I burn off the calories already. For real, for real. I was so hungry and thirsty by now. Oh man. I got a couple of beef patties from 7-Eleven. Not bad. And fruit punch. They're not hot. Of course, there's nowhere to heat them up, but I'm good. I'm not gonna spend all that money buying hot dogs from that food place. Got plenty of hot dogs home. And got a whole lot of walking to do with that baby carriage. There were a bunch of people. I was sitting over there, and they were over there. But the sun kind of hot over there, so there were a bunch of people here taking up all the space. So as soon as they left, I grabbed this one. So in the meantime, guys, enjoy the view. I can't get enough of this video. Every time it comes out. Oh dear.